Welcome back, everyone. Today is July 9th, 2023. Team Aardema Braun is going to work their magic again on the Lakebed. Last month, you may have seen it. Cal Roth laid down a 244.9 miles per hour run, running in a naturally aspirated C category, 369 cubic inch displacement engine. Today, we're running the same displacement. However, we're going to run it on a fuel class, which means we're running 100 shot of nitrous. Last week, Pete and Kevin worked around the clock over at JBA Speed Shop in San Diego tuning the vehicle. The results were excellent. The vehicle made 995 horsepower with 100 shot of nitrous. Well, today, driver Scott Goetz is going to put this power down on the lake bed and make an amazing pass.
Backing out of the throttle, getting back in, grabbing the gears, left side course.
Let's cut to the good stuff. Cal Roth is getting Scott ready by helping him suit up. Wes Stalker is here to help with any type of support necessary. Pete and Kevin are looking over the car, and I'm rolling with the camera. Let's get them in the car so we can get them down the track so you can check this out.
Here we go. In the 200-mile-an-hour lane. Heads up, guys. We got Aardema Braun, car number 7. This is a nice shove off the push truck. He's going to be a happy camper, Pete. Yeah. You are going to be a happy camper. 256.
Yeah! Pete. Wow! Man!
How's it
Woo!
going?
Woo! Man! That was a muscle. And it cut out too on it.
He spun the tires.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Talk about pins and needles, huh? Pins and needles. Oh my God! This is right, dude. You freaking rock,
dude. That was a ride there. Now, let me tell
oh my
that.
God!
Wait till you see that video.
Oh my God!
Did not stop as well, or did he?
How was it? How was it?
That was a ride of the lifetime, there, baby.
What was it?
Yeah.
Did
You see that shit?
Oh yeah,
did
I
we?
saw that,
Even
but
the announcer
it sounded
talked
like
about
it
it.
cut midway. Did it cut?
Oh,
It
yeah.
cut out, right?
Yes, sir.
I heard it.
Oh my Lord.
How do you feel, Pete?
Good, great, super.
Awesome. How you feeling, Scotty?
Oh man.
How was that? Your heart start pumping again? What was the official? The 256.499. Look at that.
Right there now, let me tell
Dude,
you.
I couldn't believe it. I was like, well, I could believe it. Actually, so, hi, good morning. Welcome home.
Welcome home. All right. The happiest place on earth, isn't it?
So here,
Written right there. Oh, I know.
all right. So that's got a lead seal on it.
These are off.
Get in this
Okay.
one here.
I didn't know
Scotty.
if we had it or not.
All right.
That thing went through there. Yeah.
Congratulations, buddy.
Well,
It's that time again. Scott Goetz is going to sign his name in ink to certify this record. Not only did Scott's driving experience help him control this 1,000 horsepower beast, Scott just elevated Team Aardema Braun to an all-new level, officially making them the fastest naturally aspirated Lakester at Mirage. This also includes for both natural and fuel Lakesters with engine classifications listed for classification A, B, and C. This is a huge accomplishment and a milestone for the team. We're going to finish off with a different view from the back of the car. Enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching, everyone, and please stay tuned. We're going to Bonneville next month, and we don't know what it's going to do, but we might see speeds upwards of 300 miles per hour. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.